To use the keyboard input aloud feature using side and volume up case in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, first you have to put a shortcut for this feature to the side and volume up case. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap Samsung keyboard setting. Scroll down the screen, tap swipe top and swipe back, tap speak keyboard input aloud, and then tap speak keyboard input aloud shortcut. If this menu is still off, turn it on by tapping the on off switch until the switch turns blue. Once it's on, select press side and volume up case. Now you can easily turn on or turn off speak keyboard input aloud feature by pressing the side and volume up case at the same time. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.